In this video, I will show you on how to boost or improve your Android phone battery performance without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. The next thing you want to do right there is to scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for battery and power saving. Go ahead and click on that. And here you go. Next thing you want to do right there is to go ahead and click on power boost. Here you go. Next thing you want to do right there is to go ahead and click on turn on power boost automatically. Go ahead and click on here. Now you are here. All you have to do here is to simply click on here to automatically turn on your power boost. Now, when you turn on your automatically power boost, you can set a battery percentage right here. You can decide that when your phone battery reaches about 20% or 50% or 60%, the power boost will automatically turn on. So in this tutorial, I'm going to take it to about 20%, and which means that once this particular phone battery reach 25% right here, the power booster is going to automatically turn on. By that, my phone battery is going to be more improved and the powerful and the drastically. And once you turn on power boost automatically, and which simply means that once I turn on powerful, which simply means that once I turn on this, and by the time my phone battery gets to 25%, the turn on power boost automatically will start taking place to improve the lifespan and the performance and boost the battery performance without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Android phone settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.